Well, here I am, Thursday, working on taking the queen out of the package. Got the hive open, smoker going. Had Clara and Grandma and Grandpa go collect some pine needles today so I can get the smoker going a little bit better, which is good. There's the bees. Top of the hive, this is the inside cover. That's the outside cover. There they are, just hanging out. The queen's probably hanging right about here, so that's mainly why they're all huddled. But I'll open this up, you guys can see what's in there. Take a peek. Probably get some gloves on here soon. There's the inside of the inside cover, and this stuff, that's all old. So yes, there's the bees making it home, looking pretty good for now. I don't have a stand or anything, so I can't really make this work too well right now, but I'm gonna stop the video so I can take it apart a little bit, check it out, and get that queen out. And after that, I'll start a video again.